This nice buildable residential lot is located in the deed-restricted community of South Gulf Cove. This is a voluntary homeowners association for only $120 annually. As they say on their website, it's not your typical HOA with nitpicking rules and fines. Amenities include community boat ramp west/Gulf access, clubhouse, a playground, several parks offering basketball, barbecue grills, boat ramp, kayak launch, fishing, facility rentals, picnic shelters, picnic tables, and restrooms. Electricity, water and sewer are available. Currently not located in a Scrub J habitat per Charlotte County, please reconfirm during due diligence. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, area beaches, golfing, world-class fishing and so much.